My name is Daniel Ritmeyer. I live in Cardiff with my parents. I was born in Jerusalem. I've lived in a few places before settling down in Wales. I've just done a grade certificate in community volunteering and community involvement. I work in Penarth Red Cross as a retail assistant, married Curie in Barry, and I work in Ty Hafan warehouse near Sully. Well, I had to overcome learning disability and concentration as well, which is quite hard for me. But I had that help with Tracey Morgan, my wonderful support worker, and Gemma Murphy from Vale Volunteer Bureau as well, who helped me do all the paperwork. It made me feel great that I've overcome the challenges and things I had to overcome, which was good. I've learned how to use the till, dealing with customers, cleaning and banking. And if people want to do volunteering, I'd recommend it, as long as they get the right support. This you can find at your local volunteer bureau, and to just go for it.